Assalamualaikum and good evening to my panel 1 is Cik Mustafa and panel 2 is Cik Azhan. My supervisor is Puan Kamilah binti Jaafar. Okay, my title is Development of Automatic Accident Detection System using Arduino controller for motorcycle. So we begin with the introduction. This is introduction for the project. So according to the statistic for the 2019, Malaysia was the top list among the Asian country in the 2013 with the nearly 6,915 deaths. For the motorcycle accidents are more often occur in Malaysia, which usually accident causes death. In 2017, already 13,170,030 case of accident reported. Nowadays, there are many accidents occurs in Malaysia and most of it are motorcycles. Certain of the case, there are accident happen but not discovered on time. In this case of accident, the victim could die if not discovered in certain times. In this project, develop a system that can instantly track a motorcycles and identify them in seconds where it's located. This is the problem statement for the project. Nowadays, accidents happen without a warning. Furthermore, accidents are always happen every seconds and counting. There is a way to prevent it from happening and instantly alert others. Thus, GPS are made to track it. The device can detect accidents and alert that who we want to notify is the authority or parents. This prototype also can prevent victims from missing if the accident happen without a trace. Thus, high possibility victim can survive if the authority came right on time. This is the example when the accidents happen, the victims cannot be found and accident that's happened and missing for 5 days. So imagine if the victims knows that accident happened, maybe the victims can survive. This is the objective for the project. So to design the automatic motorcycle accident detection system, to develop a prototype that detect motorcycle accident using Arduino microcontroller. Next, to alert the family about accident using WhatsApp application and track it using GPS. This is the project scope for the prototypes. The purpose of this project was designed to achieve the objective of the project. This project focused on the automatic accident detection. Whenever the accident happen, the sensor will detect it and send the accurate location to the authority or parents that we set. This prototype will be able to detect accident automatically and instantly inform the authority and parents through WhatsApp application using GPRS module. In the order to achieve the whole objective, the design of automatic accident detection need to be compact, lightweight and as possible to install on the motorcycles. The project aims to detect automatically. Okay, this is the literature review. So we choose the previous project. So we have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GSM connection. So GSM are more reliable because it's cover wide area, best coverage, although it's require a service provider. This is the sensor comparison. So we have MPU 6050 and ADXL 345. So I choose the MPU because it has gyroscope range, high accuracy and low cost. This is the methodology for the PSM1 and PSM2. So for the PSM1, we only start project title, identify project and problem statement, objective and scope, literature review and methodology. So next step we continue to the PSM2. Okay, for the block diagram of proposed system, I use as GPS and sensor as an input, microcontroller, LCD, electric system, GSM and mobile for the WhatsApp application. So we send the alert system to through the WhatsApp application and to the mobile. This is the development project input and output. Okay, so we have power supply, Arduino Uno as a processor. So which means it's work as a brain to process the coding. Okay, LED, GPS module and LCD as an output. This is the list of component. So we have Arduino Uno, battery, MPU 6950, liquid crystal display or known as LCD. So the function Arduino as a microcontroller work as brain. Okay, for the battery, usually it's power supply to the Arduino, MPU as a sensor and LCD as the output display from the MPU sensor. Next we have charging board, LED and GSM and GPS module. So charging board basically is a variable voltage output because we're using the 3.7 volt, so we need to step up to 5 volt because the Arduino Uno needs 5 volt input. Okay, LED indicate the prototype function well. GSM and GPS module detect location as an input. When detect accident, we locate using latitude and longitude. This is Arduino Uno. So it has digital pin, PWM and analog pin. Supply is 5 volt. This is the software development flowchart. So from the start and to the end. So switch is turned on when the LED green will light. Sensor read the angle of the sensor motorcycle's lean. Then angle low, it will detect as accident. Arduino sends signals to GSM module and emergency message will send to desired contact or authority, also have to the parents. This is the coding for MPU 6050. So we use this coding to make a desired output. Okay, for the expected result is a well-functioned automatic accident detection system. It will be placed on the motorcycles and have to lightweight and compact as can. Okay, next, product that can detect motorcycles accident automatically. Lastly, the product that alert authority or family using WhatsApp application and sending the coordination of the accident. This product can save the victim's life. In conclusion, this project can proceed because its issue is inspired from the current situation and increased number of accidents nowadays. The emphasis from the previous study is important in the development of this project as to gain the knowledge on the working principle. Lastly, the methodology part is the preparation for implementation and developing the project to create a prototype. That's all for the presentation. Thank you.